皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about まだてない。It is used when you want to say you haven't done something yet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's start learning about how to use まだてない。Alright, this is how you use まだていません。So まだ is kind of optional. That means yet. But you need to have verb て form plus いません. Verb て form plus いません. Right, so if you don't know what て form is, we have a dedicated video for that. So I will leave the link in the description. Right, so まだ verb て form plus いません. That means haven't done something yet. Right, so let's look at multiple example sentences. The first sentence. その戦争はまだ終わっていません。その戦争はまだ終わっていません。Right, the word 戦争 that means war. So その戦争 that means the war. まだ yet 終わっていません。hasn't ended. Right now there is a war happening in Europe. The war has not yet ended, but I hope the war will end soon and the peace will come again. その戦争はまだ終わっていません。The war has not ended yet. Next example sentence. 宿題がまだ終わっていません。宿題がまだ終わっていません。The homework is not done yet. 宿題がまだ終わっていません。宿題 that means homework. まだ yet 終わっていません。hasn't been done. Alright, let's look at next example sentence. お母さんはまだ帰っていません。お母さんはまだ帰っていません。Alright, お母さん that means mother. It could be my mother or someone else's mother, but talking about mother. まだ yet 帰っていません。The verb 帰る that means to go home. 帰っていません that means has not come home yet. お母さんはまだ帰っていません。Mother has not come home yet. Next example sentence. まだ彼へのプレゼントを何にするか決まっていません。まだ彼へのプレゼントを何にするか決まっていません。Right, the word 決める that means to decide. まだ means yet 彼への to him プレゼント present. So 彼へのプレゼント that means a present to him. 何にするか何 what 何にする you know what it'll be 決まっていません hasn't been decided yet. So the whole sentence means I haven't decided what present I'll give him yet. まだ彼へのプレゼントを何にするか決まっていません。Next example sentence. 彼女はまだ結婚していません。彼女はまだ結婚していません。結婚 that means marriage. And 結婚する that means to get married. Right, 彼女は she まだ yet 結婚していません。hasn't got married. So she hasn't got married. 彼女はまだ結婚していません。Let's look at the next example sentence. ケンはまだ起きていません。ケンはまだ起きていません。Ken hasn't woke up yet. Right, so 起きる that means to wake up. Ken は Ken まだ yet 起きていません。hasn't woke up. Ken hasn't woke up yet. Ken はまだ起きていません。Alright, now let's look at real life example. I bought a tweet from Twitter. And this person says, まだワクチンが終わっていないので、お散歩は行けません。まだワクチンが終わってないので、お散歩は行けません。Right, what's お散歩? お散歩, that means walk. Right, so お散歩は行けません. That means can't go on a walk. First part, まだワクチンが終わってないので。まだ yet, ワクチン that means vaccine. 終わってない hasn't done yet. ので that means the reason. So, because the vaccine isn't done yet, or because I haven't got a vaccine yet, お散歩は行けません. I can't go on a walk. Alright, another real life example from Twitter. This person says, 3月に入ってまだ一度も外出てない。3月に入ってまだ一度も外出てない。Right, 3月 that means March. 3月に入って that means since the start of March. まだ yet 一度も一度 that means once. 外出てない。そう、外出るを外に出る。That means to go outside. 外出る。Right, this person is kind of removing 外にparticle. Because it's casual, you can write casually in Twitter, so that's what's happened. まだ一度も外出てない。That means I haven't gone out. So the whole sentence means 3月に入ってまだ一度も外出てない。That means I haven't gone out since the start of March. Alright, this video is a little short video because the grammar is on the simple side. So let's try today's quiz. Translate these sentences into Japanese using まだてない. Number 1, I haven't taken a shower yet. Number 2, I haven't watched the movie yet. Number 3, I haven't sent a letter to her yet. Number 4, I don't know how many people are coming yet. Alright, try this out and see if you can get it right. I will leave the answer at the bottom of the description. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. If you like this kind of video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you in the next one. またね。